Panji sir, the future of metrology is here. And you have drawn a pyramid which says foundation, setting, process, and monitoring. What is the ideology behind, Renisha, which is totally into measuring instruments or metrology or probing instruments? What does it denote when we speak of this pyramid?
You rightly asked, the future of metrology is here. And if you look at, I'll start from connecting the dots. If you look at right now, it's a fantastic time for Indian manufacturing. And Indian manufacturing is poised to take over the world, provided we are able to make quality products, high value products at scale. So gone are the days where we can only aspire to make mid-value product. We have to aspire to make high-value product at scale. And in order to make high-value product, quality product at scale, precision becomes fundamental. Now, when it is fundamental, it needs to become simple enough to be embedded in a variety of manufacturing and their supply chain as well. So what we have done, we have showcased technologies here and got them into a framework which becomes easy for people to understand कि कहाँ पे कौन सी technology हमें use करनी है so that they can make high quality parts at scale and profitably. Foundation for manufacturing is what? Your machines have to be stable, your machining conditions have to be reliable, your environment have to be stable. So that's where some of our products, very simple products, some of them are like health check, some of them are correcting whatever if it is not right on that day to ensure that your machines are going to be reliable. So once your machines are reliable, you get confidence. Oh, my machining and what is the outcome of machining should be as predictable as I can. So what we have done, the second layer of the pyramid that we call a predictive layer, there we have got an automated solution that eliminates the manual interventions in some of the high skill job. इसके लिए काफी precision की जरूरत होती है and there are certain products जिसको हम लोग probe बोलते हैं, part probe, tool probe. With the help of those probing solution, you can set those things very, very quickly in a blink of an eye and without too much of an effort. Very easy system to use, very simple system to use. But as a result, you get very predictable outcome. आपका process setup है, आपका machining environment setup है. Number 3, जब आपने ये setup कर लिया, फिर भी कभी-कभी क्या होता है कि you have a lot of errors that come either from the machining environment, जैसे कि टेम्परेचर के वेरिएशंस हो गए, टूल का वेयर हो गया, कटिंग फोर्सेस अगर ज्यादा और कम हो गए तो उससे इम्पैक्ट आ गया. तो इन सब को व्हेन यू आर कटिंग द पार्ट इटसेल्फ, कैन वी कॉम्पनसेट फॉर दैट? कैन वी अंडरस्टैंड कि क्या हम इस चीज को ड्यूरिंग द मशीनिंग क्या कॉम्पनसेट कर सकते हैं क्या? सो दैट्स वेयर वी वेरी पावरफुल सॉल्यूशन, दैट द थर्ड लेवल पिरामिड इन प्रोसेस कंट्रोल, especially when you are cutting very high value component, जहाँ बहुत expensive parts बना रहे हैं, जहाँ आप rejection allow ही नहीं कर सकते, जहाँ आप कुछ component को export कर रहे हैं या high end sector में जा रहे हैं, वहाँ पे you can't afford to reject at all. So in those component machining, you can control those tool wear, those changes of the position, your positional differences, your all those diametrical differences. ये बहुत सारे जो challenges जो आते हैं, जिसके लिए हमें बाद में उसको inspect करके फिर जाके machine पे change करना पड़ता. Now one can do these things during machining again with the same throw. और जो चौथा layer जिसको हम post process monitoring layer बोलते हैं, उसमें simple है. जब आपने part बना लिया, उसको चेक करना कि क्या आपने सही बनाया है और उस प्रोसेस के भी आउटकम को चेक करने कि क्या आपका प्रोसेस सही चल रहा है क्या, सो दैट आपका हर पार्ट सही बने. तो उसके लिए वी हैव ऑटोमेटेड सॉल्यूशन विद द हेल्प ऑफ again probes on the machine, gauging solution, and a variety of other solution that gives a power to the manufacturer to quickly verify and say, yes, all my parts are correct. My process is working fantastically well. So in a very simple way, with these 4 layers, you can ensure your process is repeatable, consistent, reliable, and you can make highly accurate parts right after one, and आपको rejection नहीं आएगी. And that is the whole pyramid concept that we are displaying here.